Now let's jump directly to our mission. So as from this end, what I want to apply for now is the Nigerian Fire Service. So let's click it. So we see they have professionals. This ESF 1 or Compass 9. So you have engineering, BNG in civil, or LLB in law. So you can apply for that. This general duty. This where most of the people fall, and this one we are the one I want to apply for. Of course, into so you have inspector for nursing. So have this RM nursing, assistant inspector general duty in the NC. So for our fire service general duty, we have fire service 3, Compass 3, and SSC test. Now let's move into this right away. Click start application, apply. So there is this fire service apply, but so the agency is Nigerian Fire Service. The qualification I want to use is BSc. BSc change. And now let's move on. So now this where I want to enter the NIN of this candidate. So now validate, next. So once you are next, so you have everything here. Okay, so you upload your passport here, put your surname, first name, and make sure you fill everything. So I'm going to do that right away. So many people make a mistake here. You should try as much as possible to avoid it. So you can see it has entered the next stage where we are going to put the primary school and the secondary. So the issue here is that make sure you reduce the size of the file you are uploading to be below 100 KB if you know you want it to go. So now the primary school, so you should write the primary school, the secondary school, and the tertiary school. So the primary school leaving certificate, she attended St. John's certificate obtained in primary school leaving certificate. You can see for school leaving certificate is the same thing. And the start year, she actually started in 1997 to 2002. To secondary school.